Hi, this is a tutorial of how to fix your Xbox without a towel. So as you can see, my Xbox has the red rings of death. And yeah, there you go, red rings. Okay, so this is just a temporary fix without the towels. So what you're gonna need is you're gonna need a pipe cleaner or something of the sort, something that has a thin, strong metal inside. So what you're gonna want to do is see if you can see this. In the back, there's two fans. So you're gonna want to overheat your Xbox so the thermal compound in it fuses back together. So just take your pipe cleaner and put it inside to jam the fans almost, so your fans shouldn't spin. Now if you turn your Xbox back on, you shouldn't hear a sound. Alright, so that's how you know the fans are not working. You're going to wait for it to overheat, and after it overheats, you're going to turn it off, and it should be working when you turn it back on again. So, I'm just going to leave this video running, and just to show you how long it takes to overheat. Alright. Eh, 2:46 on the clock, if you can't see. Alright, so it's 2:51. It's been about 6 or 7 minutes, and as you can see, the red rings have turned to 2 red rings, which means your Xbox has overheated, and that's what you want. You want your Xbox to overheat, so now you can just take your things out, pipe cleaners out, and you can hear the fan is starting up again. So yeah, let the fan just run half a minute, cool it down a little, and we'll just give it 10 seconds maybe. Just want to show you guys it works. Alright, so if your Xbox is still flashing 2 red rings, that means you cannot turn it off the regular way, so just pull the plug, there you go, and put that back in. Alright, and now when I turn it back on again, it should work. Beautiful. Perfectly. There you go. So that's the how to fix your Xbox without the towels and kind of tutorial, red rings. Alright, that's just the overheating message.